one of those people who do not drink enough water that the body needs to stay hydrated? Don't worry. We bring you an application that will remind you to drink water to increase the hydration your body needs. Drink Water Reminder is an app to remind you to drink water, since being hydrated is important for human beings and it is necessary to drink water for everything to work as it should. This is a completely free app and you can download it from your Play Store. Drink Water is very useful to remind you how much water you should drink and at what times. The first thing you should do is download the app and create a profile. There, you will put basic information such as gender, age, and weight. In addition to that, you will put the approximate time in which you go to sleep and wake up. In addition to that, you will put the additional data so that the application calculates the approximate intake of water that your body needs throughout the day. The app will notify you how many glasses of water you should drink per day. Drink Water will send you reminders to drink water. Every time you drink water, you will have to confirm the action in the app. In this way, you will see how it is completed, glass by glass, the entire arc of the recommended water intake for the day. Thus, the application will be able to do the pertinent calculations. The good thing about Drink Water is that it is built on the basis of gamification and rewards you when you get achievements. You will be able to see the daily and weekly challenges that the app has for you, to know the average amount of water you drink per day, week, and month. This app will help you to take care of your health. It is useful in case you forget to drink water or if you are not in the habit of drinking water. This will bring great benefits to your life and your body will thank you later. Please ensure that the water you consume is drinkable and of good quality. Stay healthy. Drink enough water to be always healthy.